Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV. Today we're going to be showing you this 37 bunk house Elkridge. It's a 2018 model. Very unique to its design. Right off the bat you can tell how they like the finishes here, and I like these walls. They're sturdy, strong. Power awning right off the bat, and then you get the, of course, waterproof, you know, outside speakers. You can play music, of course, inside, outside, what have you. Big bottles right here for propane. I like this, what I call a basement. There is nothing in the middle there, you know, pipes, what have you, so storage becomes easy. TV hookups right there. And aluminum stairs makes it really nice and handy. Come on in, let me show you a couple of things. Welcome to this coach. Very welcoming coach, I would say. Lots of storage here. Maybe this is your pantry. Again, more stuff with your control panel right here, of course. Got more shelving, a plug-in right here for you. Really nice touch here. This is a new model, I guess, of ovens, stoves, and this is a 3-burner. Really nice with a glass cover for it. Big, huge microwave. Look at that. Pretty nice. More storage on top. Really handy cupboard right here. You can reach it. It's not way up there, out of your way. Nice counter, double sinks. And as we walk in here, you can't help it but see this big screen TV. I love this. You can see a love seat, but they're separate. These are power, heated seats. You can see everything is auto. You know, you can open it, close it, power, massager, heat, pretty nice stuff with a nice window right there behind you. You can, of course, visit and converse. Table goes right here. Really nice setup right there. This is the bunk house in here. Really roomy. They did a great job. More storage, of course. TV hookup. You got a bunk house here, bunk bed up here with a ladder. This is the table I was talking about that sits outside. More in a way storage if you would like, and this also stores away. Nice love seat here that turns into a bed. Really nice. Right in there you can see there's another bathroom, which makes it very convenient with an outside door, so people don't have to come in and, you know, walk throughout the coach. Let's go up there to the bedroom and look at a couple of features in there. This is a really nice bathroom right here. It's an enclosed shower with a seat in it. You know, some of them are smaller than this. This is really roomy in here. You got more cabinets in there, of course, for storage. As we walk in the bedroom, this is the slide out, you know, the slide that makes this room way roomier than it is. Big, huge closet that you can put in, you know, washer and dryer, what have you. Really nice touches here. Look at that. You have an actual closet, almost a walk-in closet. More storage up here. Of course, we got these shades for privacy. Look at that big, nice window. I don't know if you have some pets, they'll enjoy the scenery. More storage up here. Really nice. We can have a TV mounted up here, so the hookups are ready for you. There is no need for wiring, what have you. Let's go outside and show you more features. Elkridge is made by Heartland, so they're known for their inventions and what they make things more user-friendly. This is a 6-point leveling system, of course. When you see that mechanism there, yeah, rest assured it is a leveling system. Up here we have an outside kitchen, a big fridge. Usually they're smaller than that. These are nice with cabinets up here, storage, what have you. Even a TV mount if you would like to have one. Big slide, that's the bunkhouse slide, if you remember that one. Again, that's the door to the bathroom with its own stairs, and the ladder that you can go up there and check out to see if there's any debris, what have you, on your roof. Again, that big slide out, that's the other slide out, the opposite slide out in the bunkhouse. Again, these aluminum wheels, big tires on them. They're rated to, you know, get heavy stuff going. That's the slide out in the bedroom. And again, that's the other side of our basement with your control panel in a way. You got a hot and cold water out your shower, outside shower in a way. Auto leveling, push button, you're good to go. There is a lot to talk about this coach. Please give me a call if you have any questions. 541-515-1237. Thank you.